In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do vocal chops in Soundtrap. Vocal chops are those punchy, cut-up bits of a voice you hear driving modern pop, hip-hop, and EDM. They're all about rhythm, space, and clarity, and today we're focusing on the essentials, getting a vocal into your project and slicing it into tight, usable pieces. First, bring a vocal into Soundtrap. If you want to record directly, click Add Track, then choose Voice and Microphones. Use headphones to avoid bleed, keep your input level just below clipping, and aim for a clean, dry take without effects. If you already have a vocal you want to chop, go to File and select Import Audio to upload it. The best material for chops is simple and clean. Short phrases, a single word, or even a vowel like ah, oh, or yeah. Dry recordings work best because reverb or delay baked into the sound can smear the rhythm when you start cutting. If you're choosing between multiple takes, pick the one with the clearest start and minimal background noise so your cuts feel snappy. Now let's cut the vocal into chops. Click to select the vocal clip so it's highlighted. Move the playhead to the exact spot where you want your first slice to happen. Press S on your keyboard to split the clip at the playhead. Repeat this process to create multiple small pieces. For tight, rhythmic chops, aim for very short segments, around a quarter of a beat or even less. Shorter clips feel punchier and give you more control over groove. Use the zoom controls to get precise, and if you want your slices to land perfectly on the grid, enable snapping so your cuts align with the beat. If a cut sounds clicky or abrupt, make the split right at a zero crossing or adjust the cut point slightly until the attack sounds natural. It also helps to listen with the metronome so you can hear how your slices line up with the tempo. Keep working through the clip, splitting at every moment you want to isolate, maybe the start of a vowel or the front of a consonant for extra punch. Consistency matters. Try to keep your slices roughly similar in length when you're aiming for a steady rhythm. By the time you're done, you'll have a set of small, clean vocal pieces ready for rhythmic use. That's the core of vocal chopping in Soundtrap. Import or record a clean voice and split it into short, tight segments that lock into the beat.